I'll answer the question. You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth.
It took me 76 videos and being on this platform for 9 hard, long months before I was able to understand the 3 things that it took for me to succeed and get all of my watch time, 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers on one video. And I'm here to share that with you today. This video is not to brag, but it's to bring to you the social proof that I need to compel you to not quit, to not give up. After you watch this video, I can almost guarantee it is going to help you to grow your views and to grow your subscribers just by applying the things that I say here in this video. The 3 keys that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video will work in any niche and in any genre. If you apply these 3 things, you will start to see growth on your channel and in your views, which hopefully will get you 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That will hopefully get you to your monetization status and help you to achieve your goals. The real problem is not that you're not getting enough subscribers. The real problem is that you're not getting enough views. And the reason why that you're not getting enough views is because your videos are not being pushed out. The equation looks something like this. If you're able to get about 100 views, then maybe you can get about 5 subscribers per 100 views. That is the equation. Now, I'm not one to do public math, so I'm going to try to do it here today over here. If you can get 25,000 views, let that be your target, because 25,000 views could potentially get you 1,000 subscribers. And then those 1,000 subscribers, if they watch your videos, if your videos are intriguing, if your videos produce watch hours, then you will be able to get to your 4,000 mark quicker than you ever could have thought. I'm going to do the uncomfortable thing, and I'm going to go back in my history. Long ago, not too long ago, 9 months ago, I started uploading videos. And let me tell you something. My videos were bad. I'm just going to share with you how bad my videos were. Ever since I can remember, I've been okay with being a loner, kind of in my head a lot. I'm okay with sitting around reading a book. Guys, welcome back up. I realized I had not even introduced myself. I am Reva. This is my channel, Reva Reveals. Thank you for coming. So why am I here today? I'm here to have a conversation. I have been reading Atomic Habits. It's a book by James Clear. Well, I wasn't reading it. I was listening to it. I know it was bad. It was cringe-worthy bad, very bad. However, just like you, we had to start somewhere. Don't even worry about your first 50 uploads or, like me, your first 76 uploads before you really started to see things shift for the better. And if you agree with me, leave me a comment. Tell me how bad I was in the beginning. But if it wasn't for those first 70, 76 bad videos, I would not have known how to get better one video at a time. A huge piece of advice that I have to give to you if you're just starting out or you're restarting your journey is that you need to niche down. You need to niche down in order to blow up. I was all over the place with my content. I was doing content on prayer, exercise, meditation, intermittent fasting. I was all over the place. And of course, the algorithm did not know where to push my videos to because it didn't know where my audience was. So I had to get specific with my niche. And once I started to get specific with my niche, that's when everything started getting better and my views started going up, 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 and up. It's very important for when you get on here, not just post consistently, but consistently get better with each post that you upload. It's extremely important to get better and better every time, because if you come on here doing the same old thing, you're going to get the same old outcome. And you know what Albert Einstein says, the definition of insanity, and we're not crazy over here, but the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and hoping for a different outcome. And baby, we are not crazy. I always say this, and I always teach my students, is the power and the rule of 5. What do I mean by the power or the rule of 5? Your title, your description, what you say in the first 30 seconds of your video, and then you repeat it another time in your video, and your file name. They all need to be keyword optimized and SEO, search engine optimized, specific, so that the algorithm can pick you up. In the beginning, the algorithm is not going to know who you are. So you need to be able to feed the robot, feed the algorithm, train your dragon.
Vamos! Vamos!
To understand and to know where it is that you want that video to navigate. In the beginning, you need to train the algorithm. Every video is not going to rank within your top 10 each time it comes out within the first 24 hours. It just doesn't happen that way. And we have to be okay with that. All it takes is one video or two, and before you know it, your channel growth that you desire, it will come to pass. If I've been able to help you, make sure you like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if there's something that you want to see that maybe I can help you with. I love you, and I hope you grow. Bye-bye.